Okay, so instead of learning just a Python, so if we are going to be certified, there are a number of advantages are there. Why don't you? Why don't become? Why don't become certified programmer? Okay, certified programmer, especially working people, you know the value of certification. Okay, especially working people. How many working people are there in this session? Can you please confirm? Most of the people, I hope. Yes, most of the people. I hope there are several people. You know the value of certification. Okay, because so sometimes to enter into some good projects, your certification play the role sometimes. Some clients are going to ask, some clients are going to ask okay, what's about certification? We require only certified professionals. Then obviously there is no there is if you are not having the certification, maybe a problem. Okay, like next, do you know to get good salaries also? To get good salaries, HR persons, while at the time of interviews, HR persons are always trying to bargain. If you are experienced, compulsory this bargain kind of cinema will be there. So I'm expecting some 50% hike, 100% hike. Then immediately, as per company norms, more than 20% hike we won't provide. What we have to do? Sir, I'm consider my special case. I'm already certified. If you are not interested already, I have another offer is there. Some people are going to blackmail HR persons by showing your certification. Correct, right? Okay, in the interview rooms. So to demand good salaries, to demand good salaries, your certification definitely is going to play the role, man. Okay, sometimes do you know, especially in Java area, I'm seeing there are some people are going to meet, sir, in the next month. In the next month, I have on-site opportunity, but before that, I require to clear this certification. Can you please help? Can you please help? Like some people are going to ask regarding, can you please provide support? Can you please help? Like some people are going to ask. Okay, so sometimes to get on-site opportunities also, okay, such on-site opportunities also, definitely your certification is going to be very helpful, sir. Okay, next, to get job also, sometimes I can use it to get job also. So if you are going to expose yourself, if you are going to market yourself in the interview room with your certification, definitely you can market yourself in the interview room, sir. So if 10 members are there, what is the specialty for you? Why I have to give the job only for you? Then simple, I'm already certified Python developer, certified person. So it doesn't mean every time it's going to work. No, but out of 100, minimum 90% of the times, definitely it is going to be helpful. Okay, if you are certified, the certification, how you can able to use that depends on your marketing skill. Remember that sometimes by showing that certificate, okay, you are going to highlight that I'm specialized person when compared with the remaining people. Regarding, by showing your certification, you people are going to tell, yes, I am, yes, so I'm the right person. Compulsory, if you are not going to give the job to me, definitely you are going to miss some worthy resource. That feeling you can able to create, whether really you are worthy or not, secondary. Are you getting right? So that's why. So definitely only one word I can able to use the word, if you are certified. If you are certified, there is a big opportunity is waiting for you somewhere, maybe to get good job, maybe to get a good project, maybe to get a on-site opportunity, maybe to get okay, good salaries. Like anyway, somewhere there is a big opportunity is waiting for you, sir. Okay, opportunity is waiting. That's why whatever area you are working, especially working people, friends, especially working people, whatever area you are working, better to be certified in that area. Because sometimes especially in India, this type of trend are not started. So if you go for US or UK somewhere, so common first interview will starts with the technical interview, starts with, do you have any certifications? Regarding, do you have any certifications? Like definitely, so this type of things by default will be there. Clear, right? Are you in the position to understand, friends? Are you getting my point? Okay, that's all. But anyway, so is it all cases it's going to be true, sir? Like no. 90% of scenarios, definitely all these cases are very it's true, sir. So I can tell one live experience what happened in front of my house, in front of my eyes. Just now one experience I will share with you people, right? So what happened? Do you know, even in the companies also, in the software companies also, so whatever the training cost, so assume that the training cost for your Python certification course is assume some 20K. Don't worry, we are not going to charge you 20K. assume 20K certification cost, and then almost around 4K is the certification cost. This is the training cost, and this is the certification cost, almost around 24-25K. Assume that, sir, this is the money which is required to become to get training followed by certification, right? So do you know, most of the companies, if you are going to submit this fee receipt under this exam cost receipt, most of the companies are going to reimburse. Do you have that facility in your companies? If you consider IBM, yes, we have that facility. If you consider Infosys, we have that facility. Like most of the software companies, whatever money you are going to spend for your certification, Capgemini, yes, whatever money you are going to spend for your certification, most of the companies, you have this type of fee, this type of reimbursement facilities. You can clear, you can claim, then automatically in the next salary, once account team is going to approve, then obviously in your account this money is going to be credited. Now I have one small doubt. So training you are going to take, next certification you are going to get. So on your name, why the company is going to pay the money for this? Because once you are certified, you will become expert programmer. You are specialized person. Then automatically your certification, the company is going to start marketing somewhere. The company is going to marketing somewhere. So a simple case study I will tell. So suppose they are going to bid for your project, sir. So there, just like getting the job out the competition, so get the project is also in between the companies. There is a then in the bid for your project, why this project has to give for your company only? Then automatically one company person is going to tell, sir, minimum 50 to 80% of employees, resources, certified professionals we are going to arrange for this project. Then automatically resources, certified resources we are going to certified resources we are going to arrange for this. Like wow, there is, so certified means the client is going to feel, oh, these people are experts only are going to work in my project. Like suppose so do you know how the company is going to get the money? The company is going to billing. How they are going to get, sir? Billing per hour basis, per man hour basis, like it they are going to get. Suppose here, do you know, there is one estimate is there. There is one estimate, work estimate, project estimate we require to prepare. Okay, normal per hour. Just assume that $50 per hour or $30 per hour. Assume that, sir. Then automatically this is the accepted for the client. Then immediately, so the company is going to demand, sir, $40 per hour. $40 we are expecting per hour for this assignment, because the resource who involved in this work is the certified, sir. Is the certified. Are you getting? Just you are going to get certificate only once, but the company is going to use your certification in many areas. That's why most of the software companies, if you are going to do certification, whatever training cost, whatever training cost, and whatever the money, whatever training cost and certification cost, the company itself is going to pay, sir. Are you getting? So simple, think a bit logic. So you may work for this company 1 year or 2 years, but why they have to provide fee reimbursement for your certification? Because definitely the software company, more intelligent people, the company management is the more intelligent. Definitely they are going to utilize your certification somewhere. That's why they have this type of policies. Are you getting the point, friends? Clear, right? Okay, well, so just all your doubts I will clarify. Don't worry about that, sir. This is one thing. Next and after that, next and after that, there is one more thing is there. There's one more point. Just I told, right, just one live scenario I saw in front of my eyes. So something happened related to your certificate, related to the certification, right? So do you know, once you are certified, if it is the Oracle certification, maybe Microsoft also may have the same. So once you are certified, first you will get a scorecard. First you will get scorecard. So once you finish the exam immediately, so scorecard you are going to get, yes, your percentage is some 100%, 97%, 98%, like you will get scorecard. First thing what you are going to get, scorecard, sir. Scorecard. Next, another thing, original certificate from the vendor. Original certificate from the vendor. Yes, sir, this is the Durga cleared certification. Okay, Python certification, Microsoft Python certification. Now on so and so date, like so the CEO or certificate authority CEO is going to sign from the Microsoft. You may get the certificate. This is certificate from vendor. This is the second one, sir. If it is the Oracle certification, of course, Sun certification. Do you know one what we call one card? One card you are going to get, sir, just like a visiting card, just like a visiting card, ID card, like, or otherwise something like our PAN card. Okay, with this size, you are going to get one card. Maybe I may not use exact word for that. Okay, some card you are going to carry in your pocket. Okay, in your wallet pocket you can carry, sir. I remember one day there with your photo. So there it will be there. He the Sun certified Java programmer, Microsoft certified Python programmer, like it will be there, sir. So I remember one day there is one person named with Karunakaran Reddy. Okay, Karunakaran Reddy. I remember olden days, sir, some days, almost around 7 to 8 years, 10 years before this story, Karunakaran Reddy. So what he did is, he completed his MCA somewhere, and then he is trying with the 3+ years of experience, sir. Of course, so at that time 3+ years of experience, at that time H1B. Okay, if you are going to approach some consultancy, the consultancy people are going to help to get H1B, and then happily we can move to the US. Something from India story I'm telling. Okay, H1B, something like that. What happened is, this person went for the embassy for visa interview, sir. Okay, he went to the embassy for visa interview. Then immediately interview person asked, I mean embassy person asked, so there are several resources are there in the US, why we have to give the chance only for you? This is the question embassy person asked. Why? Because already this person is the fake candidate. Already this person is the fake candidate. But the embassy person asked, what is the specialty for you? Why we have to give the chance only for you? What specialty for you? This is the question that that embassy person asked in the interview room, sir. Then immediately what this Karunakaran Reddy did, he opened the wallet, and then the card, he is the Sun certified Java programmer. He took the card and he showed that card. I'm Sun certified Java programmer. Okay, that's why obviously you have to give the chance to me. Because how much worth that certification, that person don't know, that person embassy person don't know, but he the certified person from Sun Microsystems. Wow, great person, man, like stamped, are getting stamped, and then happily that person. So now currently that person is there, travel to US. Getting certification is one thing. Marketing that certification, getting benefit from that certification, that depends on your skill. Remember this one. Are you getting my point, right? So from all this discussion, only one point you people should be aware. If you are certified, definitely there is a big opportunity is waiting for you in your life. But the people who are going to market that certification, they are going to get the benefit. The people who are dummies, whether they are doing certification or not, there is no use of that. Clear? Okay, well, next, related to Python certification. Okay, so first thing what you people should be aware, So Python certification, what syllabus is there, what kind of questions you people can expect, these sir, very Python certification, believe me, if you already aware Python, 10 days is more enough. If you don't know about Python, another 10 days must be required. Okay, so oddly 20 days to 1 month is the duration, assuming that you don't know Python. Okay, just briefly I will review the required theory followed by some practice bits. After completing this training, happily you can go for certification. So it is purely based on fundamentals only. Just have a look once the syllabus, right? Okay, instead of just a copy paste syllabus directly, let me take from Microsoft. Okay, here just Microsoft exam introduction to Python programming. Okay, so just forget about money, all these things. First concentrate only on syllabus, sir. The syllabus here is, observe very carefully, sir. Officially, just let me go for data types and operators. Sir, data types and operators. This is the first topic what we have. Data types and operators is the first topic we require to aware. So oddly 40 to 45% weightage only from these two topics. That's why please make sure more concentration must be required for this topic. Okay, second one, sir, data types and then operators. Of course we are going to cover data types and the second topic, operators. Okay, this is just our syllabus as per that. Next, third one, sir. So do you know input and output statements? Have you remember, right? In our Python sessions we covered. So how to read input from the keyboard, how to read input from the keyboard like how to read input from the keyboard, how to print statements like input and output statements, right? This is, sir, one small thing. There are some people already calculated, sir, $127. One person is telling 9,140. It's, oh God, like nothing, sir. So not in United States. If you are not in United States, just assume that you are in India. For US people, $127 is not a big deal. Sir, this is the cost of certification. Okay, don't get heart attack by seeing some $125 or something like that. Okay, 3,696. Okay, this is such certification cost if you want to do in India. I hope it will be within the limit only. Correct, friends? Okay, I don't I don't think you are going to get much problem. Okay, maybe GST so the what we call our Modi's grace with GST, maybe it may go another 300 something like yes, excluding. So oddly yesterday so just I wrote the exam, almost we paid 4,316 rupees total. Okay, please. So this is the as of now cost 4,000. Forget about including GST means 4,316 rupees yesterday I paid. Okay, that's so I don't think it's a big problem for you. Plus moreover, you are if you are working, your company is going to bear. Why you have to worry about this concern? Next, lifetime validity 3.6 version. It is the 3.5 and above 3.66 version. Okay, exam. So 2x Python certification is not there. Okay, well, yes. So input and output statements. Okay, like that. Now the fourth one here, legend. Fourth one. Sir, here just take a bit very special care. Flow control. So do you know flow control? If else, next and after that, if while loop, for loop, next break statement, these kind of questions will be there from that area, right, sir? Next, fifth possibility. Okay, fifth one, sir. Here just after that functions concept. Okay, write a function for the to perform Okay, write a function like this, right? Okay, functions concept. Next, after functions concept, the next thing we require to take care is the exception handling. Regarding the next one, we have to take care about the exception handling concept. Exception handling concept, right? So after exception handling, what will be the next concept is, do you know, sir, here file IO. Regarding file IO concept is also there, sir. File IO concept is there. Next, after file IO, next concept is, sir, here it is a very important, sir. Document code segments, and using document code segments using comments, under documentation string, under doc string. Okay, doc string. All your doubts I will clarify. First, listen carefully about this one. Sir, this is documentation code segments using comments and doc strings. Sir, means nothing will be there, sir. What kind of questions from this area you can expect? How to declare comments in Python? So which lines? So in the syntactical checking will be ignored. Which things are considered as comments? Something like maybe a chance to ask the question. Okay, related to comments part. Whether you are in a position to understand comment, how to write the comments and so on, nothing will be there. 2 or 3 questions you can expect from this area. Next and after that, inbuilt modules especially. Yes, these from here you can expect math module, random module, math module, random module, date time module. Next, IO module, sys module, IO module, sys module, OS module, OS.path module. Okay, these modules, small questions you can able to expect. That's why compulsory you people should have clarity about these things also. That's also these 9 topics are there in our Python certification. Any doubt? Yeah, all your doubts I will discuss. Don't worry. First, concentrate only what I'm telling you. At last, I will give the time to clarify your answers. Don't worry, sir. Okay, that's all. This is the only syllabus. Oops, syllabus. Oops is not there. I told right it the very basic concept. This is the syllabus what we have. Okay, what is the title for this is Introduction to Programming Using Python. They're getting not that much very worthy, like no, introduction to Python. List and strings will be there. Here data types are there. In the data types there are multiple things, so don't feel only int, byte and so on. So here there are multiple things including list, strings. These things also will be covered, right? Okay, it is something like associate level, correct, very basic. Next level certification is not there in the Python. Yes, dictionary also will be used. Data types, which is going to cover all. Okay, remember, data types means all the things are going to be covered. Yes, compulsory you people should have clarity about each and every point. Okay, so 16 types are not required, complex is not required, bytes and byte array is not required, but range concept is required. Okay, like almost the majority of the data types are required, sir. This is official syllabus, what you people should aware, of course, into our understandable topics style. Okay, save this for your reference. Next, do you know, as per their syllabus, okay, just observe that. Okay, as per their syllabus, these are the only topics. These are the only topics for the certification. Beyond that, nothing is there. Now observe what is their syllabus. Perform operations using data types and operators. 20 to 25%. Sir, don't refer this because these things got changed, sir. These are not original. Microsoft people, they didn't update their website. Okay, so evaluate an expression to identify data type and will assign each variable, sir. Very simple. You should be in a position to identify. str type, int type, float type, and the bool data types. Next, perform data and data type operations. Convert from one data type to another data type. construct data structures. Have you observed, right? List, set, dictionary, these kind of things must be required. Perform indexing and slicing operations. This one is also very important, right? Indexing and slicing, you should have clear clarity. Next, determine the sequence of execution based on operator precedence. Okay, so this is compulsory 2 questions minimum you people are going to get from this area. So sequence of execution. So what they are going to take is something like sir, here parenthesis exponent, exponent is there. Exponent means power, sir. Power is there. Next, addition and subtraction is there. Addition and subtraction is there. Next, and after that, multiplication and division is there. Division is there. Next, unary minus operator is there. Unary complement operator is there. And operator is there. Parentheses are there. Something like parentheses are there. Like, do you know, sir, among R, what is the order of precedence? What is the order of precedence? Like compulsory you people should be aware in which order. So Python is always going to give the consider. Okay, like this is. So these things by default will be there, sir. Okay, like so determine the sequence of execution based on operator precedence. They are going to ask like this. Okay, in which order the things are going to be operated. So this must be required, sir. Next and after that, okay. Next, here do you know local like sir, next control flow with the decisions. Yeah, that's all. Select appropriate operator to achieve intended result. Which operators we have to use, where we can use. These things must be compulsory required. Okay, next control flow with the decisions and the loops. Sir, if nested compound conditional expressions, while, break, continue, pass, nested loops, like you should have clarity. Next, perform input and output operations, right? Console input. If you want to read something from the console, if you want to print something to the console, this is the console operations, right? Next, this is this one is with respect to the file. Next, this second half is with respect to the console. Regarding input and output operations, open file, close file, read operation, write operation, append operation, check existence, very important. Delete operation with the statement, like you should familiar with these syntaxes, compulsory. And then read the input from console, print the formatted text, use of command line arguments. This one is also must be required, input and output operations, right? So next, document and structure code. Just indentation, very important, sir. Indentation. Okay, white space, comments, documentation strings, like these are things compulsory you people should have clarity, right? Next, the functions concept. This is construct and analyze code segments that include function definitions, call signatures, default values, return, def, pass, like this, right? Next, perform troubleshooting and error handling. So something like our exception handling. So just this is one area. Next, built-in modules. Can you please perform operations by using built-in modules? That's all. These are various things what you people should be aware. This is the official syllabus, right? Okay, just go through this link. Yes, getting this is the go through this link so that you can get much information. Next, moreover, here, sir, preparation options. So preparation options, practice test. Take a Microsoft official practice test for exam 98,381. Okay, 98,381. Okay, like sir, there is one practice exam engine is there. Practice exam engine is there, sir. This practice exam engine is not required. Not required. Regarding this practice exam engine is not required. Don't buy this one, sir. Okay, so it's a not required for you people, right? Okay, don't buy this one. It's a unnecessary money waste, time waste. For the certification, whatever materials are required, whatever things are required, we are going to discuss in this session. Don't worry about this one. Okay, well, next, who should take this exam? Okay, school students also can able to take the exam. Don't worry about that. There is no limit. So any person can able to write the exam. Okay, like, sir, that's all. Next, this is the syllabus. This is the syllabus. What we have. Are you getting? Next, next one. There is one more thing I have to tell. So just have a look once, sir. Have a look once. Soft copy of this content. Yeah, link already I shared it, right? Link already I shared, or otherwise you can download. Yes, sir. This is the syllabus for the certification. If you want soft copy, just copy paste from this link. Charan, already I shared, right? Yeah. This is the link. You can copy paste from this. Okay, well, sir, what is the next thing we require to discuss? What is the next one? We have to talk about that. Is one small thing I have to show for you people, right? In the official Microsoft website, okay, where you can write the exam. Do you know there are two certiport, like this is the very recent one I hope. Next, Pearson VUE centers. So in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, almost everywhere Pearson test centers are there. Just you can go there any day. You can write the exam. It is not yearly once, yearly twice, not your like semester exams. Okay, any day you can write the exam. If you feel comfortable today at 10 o'clock, you can book the slot, then write the exam. That's all. So any day you can write the exam on 365 days. Okay, like sir, here something like they are telling convince your boss. What they are going to tell? Can you please observe that? Convince your boss, mail, copy the following content. What it means? Copy the following content into an email message to your boss and update with the appropriate content. Dear your boss name, I had like to expand and prove my technical skills by earning a Microsoft certification. My next step is taking exam 98381, introduction to programming using Python. The registration fee is like this. When I pass this certification, you will have proof of my ability to work with Python version 3.6 or later. Microsoft has training and online resources to help me prepare for the exam. I believe it will be more effective and productive after achieving this valuable technical certification. Are you getting? Let me know if you have any questions in the meantime. You can find out more information here, something like that. So just you are intimating to your boss, saying, boss, I'm planning to. So their intention is, okay, their intention is, it is going to be very worthy. It is going to be, here I have to write, when I pass this certification, you will have proof of my ability to work with the Python. Regarding to work with Python, you will have a proof of my ability to work with the Python, something like this, right? So now I believe, sir, I will be more effective and productive. I will be more effective and productive, sir, after achieving this valuable technical certification. Okay, like they are telling. Getting, friends? I hope you people are in a position to understand. Okay, well, that's all. This is just about this is marketing of Microsoft course. This is one type of marketing from Microsoft. Why don't you do marketing yourself, man? That is also very important. Okay, like that's it, sir. This is the syllabus and so on. Next, what is the exam pattern? Yes. Next, Pearson test centers, like in the Google, just type automatically you will get the n number of test centers in your city. So very popular NIIT centers are there. Every NIIT center itself is the Pearson test center only. Okay, so every NIT, almost in Hyderabad, if you consider, so almost around 30 to 50 centers you can able to see. 30 to 50 centers you can able to see. Same number will be there, just in your surrounding only. There are multiple centers are there. Exam, yes, in Bangalore also, minimum 50 centers by default will be there, Charan. Don't worry about that. Just any NIT center, yes, all in every city in India it is there. Don't worry. Pearson here, have you observed, right? Schedule with Pearson VUA. Just click that, then automatically in your city maybe they may provide. Yes, here sign in, just sign in your Microsoft account, then automatically create. Just you can check. So like one thing. Next, and after that, how many times we can write the exam? You can write the exam any number of times, but once you clear the exam, you are not allowed to write the exam. Are getting here? Score improvement programs, such type of things won't be there. Okay, just you have to clear. Once you clear the exam, then automatically you are not allowed to retake that exam. But if you didn't, if you failed today, then tomorrow you can write the exam again, no problem at all. So next, how many bits will be there, sir? Sir, this line is very important, sir. Almost here exactly 40 questions by default will be there for the exam. 40 questions will be there for the exam. The duration of this exam is just 45 minutes time only. Okay, this is a bit dangerous combination, because these are not so it's a bit dangerous combination, sir. 40 questions 45 minutes means hardly every question you have to read, you have to study, you have to analyze, you have to answer within 1 minute. But very unfortunate thing is the questions are not multiple choice. The questions are not multiple choice. Okay, the questions are, do you know, drag and drop. Okay, drag and drop. Next, and after the drop down, select from drop down list. Select from drop down list, like under them some multiple choice questions, multiple choice questions. Okay, like so these type of questions by default will be there. Okay, like next, pass percentage, 70% is the pass. 70% is the pass percentage, right? Pass. If you want to get 70%, you have to get this is no negative marking. It is online exam which should be delivered at Pearson centers. Okay, not everywhere. Okay, 70% is the pass. No negative marking. No negative marking. Okay, sir. Next, no negative marking, right? Okay, you require to answer 70%. But anyway, sir, just don't forget one thing. Just with you, Durga sir is already there. With you, Durga sir is already there, who cleared already this exam. Okay, don't worry about this. 70% is the nonsense. Are you getting? 70% is the nonsense. So 95 minimum you people are going to get. This is a very basic exam. 45 minutes time is not required. 25-30 minutes time is more enough for us. Okay, believe me. Yes, you can able to answer very easily each and everything. Any doubt? Can you please ask? That's all. Exam pattern, exam syllabus. Next, validity for this exam. Validity for this exam is lifetime, sir. Don't worry. So once you got certified, so it throughout your life, your resume can carry Microsoft certified professional. Okay, that's all. It is not like next, any day you can write the exam. Any day you can write the exam. It is not sir, just only yearly once or yearly 2 times and so on. 365 days. Any day you can write the exam. But most of the times Sunday is a holiday for Pearson test centers. Okay, Pearson. Even if you know someone, sir, I want to schedule only on Sunday. Yes, you will get that facility also. Except the Sundays, mostly 365 days. Any day you are going to write the exam. Getting right? Okay. Next, for every time you require to pay 4,300 rupees. as long as how many times you are going to fail the exam. But once you clear the exam, then you are not allowed to write the exam again. Srikant, so one-time payment and I want to see multiple times. Sorry, not possible. Getting right? Okay, that's it. Any other doubts? Yes. Here, what kind of questions are there? Just I will share. Some people may not have idea about here. Just the exam. Here, variety of question types. You can able to see variety of question types. So variety of question types. Just save this link anyway. Here just observe that. So in our especially save this link also to see variety question types, sir. Very simple. Here exam and the question samples. Observe that a bit very carefully, sir. Best answer, build a list, case studies, drag and drop. Here just observe drag and drop kind of question. Drag and drop. How it will be there. Just it's coming from the YouTube.
To answer a drag and drop question, to select and drag answer options from the source area on the left of the screen to the correct targets in the answer area on the right of the screen. You can use the split bar to resize the panes. You can reverse your selection by moving them again. Some answer options may be used more than once. You can clear all your selections by clicking Reset.
Yes. Okay, just hot area. Can you please observe that? Yeah. This is also very common kind of question.
Hot area question types provide a way for you to answer questions in a graphical form. Hot area questions present a screenshot, picture, or diagram. You can use the split bar to resize the panes and the scroll bar to see the entire question. To answer a hot area question, click the correct choice or choices on the graphic. Clickable areas will have an outline indicating that they can be selected. To start over, click Reset to clear all your selections.
Okay, like this you have, sir. Okay, it's a very easy. Nothing will be there. Okay, so that's all. This is the syllabus. This is the syllabus. Whatever we have. Okay, and then this is the exam patterns, right? Next. So for Python only this is the certification, sir. This is the certification. No other things are available as of now. Okay. Next. Any other doubts? Yes. If already you aware Python, just the Python concepts are going to be reviewed again, but not like our regular sessions for the exam whatever required, and then some practice bits we are going to practice a little. So if you want to write the exam, you have to visit any Pearson test center. Okay. Next up, for every exam, there is some code will be there. Something like 98381 is the unique identification number for our certification. Okay, 98381 is the unique ident. This is the number, our exam number. This is. So if you are writing Java, something like 1Z0808, something like it is the OCJA exam code. This is the exam code for Python certification. Python certification is provided by only this one. Yeah, now count 97. Just only 2 bits I missed. Yes. Clear, right? Any other doubts? Yes, so this training will be there almost 20 days to 30 days. Almost 20 days to 30 days. weekly, almost 4 days around 4 sessions will be there per week. 1 month, better to keep in your mind. Okay, next, if any person is missing, yes, almost 8 to 9, 8:15 to 9:15, something like, so that time, almost 8 to 9 is the official time for this training. Next, the people who are unable to attend at this time, contact so our office people. Every day after completing the session, they will share this what we call video and the videos and materials you will get, so that you can able to refer, yes, any number of times. Okay, yes, it will be there. Next, until every day after completing the session, you will get that. Clear, right? Okay, that's it. Just like our normal online training videos, same for this batch also, the people are going to share the videos and materials, so that any time you can able to refer. Okay, next, there is a fee structure. Yes, our admin people are going to share with you people. For already existing students, there is some fee, and for the new members, there is something like that we have. So 100808 is the certification for Java certification code. It is nowhere related to Python. Just for idea purpose, I'm telling. That's all. Yeah. Any other doubts? Except the fee related things, our admin people will be there. You can just have a communication with them. Next, Tirumalesu. Next, one more thing, sir. One more thing. How, in what way I have to answer this question? Just yes, sir. Here, Tirumalesu is raising one point. Some persons are telling programming language certificates are buying. Is it true? Sir, I'm not believing that, just clarifying. Then what answer I have to tell for this question? Okay, so I can't tell no or yes, maybe, I don't know. Okay, it is official session which is recording already, so I don't know any information about maybe. Okay, that's all. Okay, well, so anyway, I have one question. In the software companies, through backdoors, if we manage a HR person by 1 lakh or 1.5 lakh, we will get the job. Is it true or false? Is it true or false? By managing HR person by paying 1.5, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, we will get the job. Is it true or false? Okay, got the job or not? Clear the certification or not? Okay, that is important. After getting the job, we have to get on in the company. After clearing certification, we have to maintain that level. Remember that. After completing certification, we require to maintain that level also. Next, so set point is Venkat Sandeep. It is something like Pearson Test Center, another vendor. The test conducted vendor is the set point. Yes, that's what. Sheets of paper can't decide my future. Yes, obviously, but you have to maintain that level also. But sometimes those papers compulsory helpful. Suppose your BTech or MCA certificate is not there. Okay, even you are very much strong, you may not get the job. Okay, remember. Vaishnav. Yeah, that's all. Sir, anywhere you can write the exam. In your local Lucknow, Noida, Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai, everywhere. Okay, the exam centers are there. Don't think too much about the exams. It's a very easy. Writing exam is just like taking the ticket and seeing the movie. How much easy? That much easy. I will guide you. Don't worry, sir. Okay. Next, this certification is not that much what we call not that much. It's not that much very difficult, very easy exam, very basic syllabus only. Next, you can able to answer very easily also. If you have capability to market your certification, okay, then better to do that. No sir, there is no subject is enough, then you can ignore. Motherwali 97. Sir, certification is going to be used not only for fresher, for every person. For every person. If you are fresher, so in your job interviews you can highlight, I'm already Python, Microsoft Python certified. Okay, like next practice mock test available. Yes, meanwhile it will be available. Don't worry, Srikant. I'm preparing one course, okay, for mock exams, for Python certification mock exams. Within these 15 days it will be completed, and I will share the link for you people. So I will upload that in the Udemy, and then I will share for you people. Don't worry, just at free of cost. Okay. Well, any other things? So this is just that's all, just the introduction part. I mean the awareness. Next Monday onwards, the session, original session is going to start. Happily, you can plan for that. Vaishnav, as of now, no plan for that. Okay, that's all, friends. Still related to certification, do you have any doubts? Can you please? Any doubts related to certification? That's all. The time is almost around 8:15 to 9:15, something like. Better to next the people who are unable to attend these sessions. Unable to attend this session, the people who are unable to attend this session, what you can do is just try to get the videos and material. Happily you can go through that, don't worry. Next, for existing students, just contact our admin people, so you have some special privilege. Next, tomorrow maybe I will take a demo session. Okay, original class will start from Monday onwards. Tejaswani, once you pay 4,000 rupees, yes, observe that these doubts are, what answer you can tell from our discussion? Can you please confirm? What answer you can tell for this? Once if we pay 4,000 rupees, can we write exam any number of times until we pass? No, no. Okay, you require to write the exam for 4,000 rupees odd means only one time. Only one time. So if you failed by mistake, tomorrow if you want to write again another 4,000 rupees. Yes, one ticket, one movie. You can't see two movies on the same ticket. Tejaswani, getting? Yeah. Getting right? You are not required. You are not required to pay multiple times, because it's a very easy exam. Don't think about how many we can write any number of times until we pass. Why you are thinking about until we pass? By default, you are going to pass. Can I get you in your mind? You should have only two questions. Can I get 95% or 97% or 99% or 100%? Only concentrate these four values. Don't think any other word. Getting? Don't think any other word. Okay, pass, fail, and so on. Don't. That fail is not applicable in our dictionary. Next, among these four, what thing you are going to get, just choose your value based on your luck, based on your practice. Yes, correct, Srikant. As of now, only basic knowledge they are going to check. Any day you can write the exam, sir. Yeah, before December you can write the exam with this knowledge. You can, this batch people, you can plan. Okay, so don't worry about failing the exam. Nothing is there. I told right. It is our knowledge is beyond the exam level. Beyond exam level. School people has to write this exam, not ourselves. But anyway, no other certification is available. That from Microsoft, this is, that's why we are even the cost is also within our budget limit. That's why I'm preferring. Okay, if the cost is some 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, simple I can tell, don't go for that exam. By seeing that 3,700 only, I start thinking about why don't you clear? Getting right? College degree must be required. If you want to move to the software, in your interviews, this certification is going to play the role. Okay? Well, any other doubts? Please. Okay. So this class will be continued from Monday onwards. Weekly, some 3 to 4 sessions will be there. Monday onwards, this class will be continued. Tomorrow also demo will be there. The people who want, you can attend the demo. Just the same thing, whatever I covered, the same I will discuss. Yeah. Sir, Nikhil is asking a small doubt. Can you please observe that? What answer we can tell for this question? Nikhil is asking a small doubt. Will it benefit mechanical engineer for career shift in IT or not? So just definitely this certification is going to be helpful, but not 100%. Are you getting? In what way you are going to utilize? Okay, then if you are going to the interview room, how I can believe you are coming from mechanical background? How I can believe you are good in the programming? Just your certification definitely is going to be acts as a proof of your ability. Yes, Sai Vinay, any time you can able to write the exam. Okay. Yeah.